Jibat. Jibat. So we have the first episode of Jibat podcast here today with us, and after a long wait, man, how long have I been planning this? I think it has been almost 3 months since I've been planning this, and
Amazing, yeah.
yeah, it's been a long time. We took a lot of time trying to get the crew together, and it's a great thing that I get a chance to open the first fucking episode with a very close friend of mine. We have with us today in our studio Rohan Pandya. Rohan, how are you, man? How are you? How long have I known you?
Oh man, first of all, thanks for inviting me. It's been like almost 15 years we know each other and we have had so many crazy moments together.
Yep.
इतनी पार्टीज की है कि पता भी नहीं है कि क्या क्या किया था.
और इट्स अनरियल मैन कि हम लोग अब 30 साल के हो गए कि मतलब कितना अजीब चीज़ है. यू हैव अ वाइफ, आई एम सपोज टू हैव अ वाइफ समडे एंड
Soon, not someday.
probably, and that's it, man. So it's great. So I want to begin by telling you that the concept behind this podcast is basically to get people to talk about things they are good at.
Correct.
That's the fundamental thing. So, and it's not like an interview format because nobody wants to see a 45-minute long interview.
Yeah.
Right? It has to be a two-way communication.
Definitely.
So the main purpose behind this is to select people who are good at whatever they do in their particular field and just get them to sit on the mic and speak about it. And the agenda can be anything. Like for you, because you are a person from the social media background, this podcast is obviously going to be more about social media and all.
Correct.
But someday if I have some BJP leader sitting here or something, it's gonna be about Modi Kaka, right?
Oh, that will be fun.
Exactly. So yeah, that's what it's all about. So what's going on, man? Are you vaccinated or what's your scene right now?
I'm fully vaccinated. I've got both the dose done and I'm feeling good.
कौन सा लिया? कोवैक्सीन, कोविशील्ड?
चाहिए तो था मुझे फाइजर पर मिला कोवैक्सीन.
ओके. हाँ, कोवैक्सीन वैसे मोदी काका ने भी कोवैक्सीन ही लिया है.
अरे
तो
बेस्ट है.
चलेगा तो सही मेरे हिसाब से.
हाँ क्यों नहीं, फ्री में
साइड
ले रहे
इफेक्ट्स थे
सब.
उसमें?
For the first time when I took the shot, I had 102 fever.
Okay.
For 2 days I was down. Second dose I could not feel anything. It was all okay.
मेरी सही बात यह है कि मैंने आज ही सेकंड डोज लिया है अभी 4 घंटे पहले. कोविशील्ड का लिया है, तो पता नहीं अब देखते हैं क्या होता है as the day progresses.
Second dose is fine. Nothing happens.
Yeah, because I think the body would cope up by the end of it, no? कि first time तुम्हें अगर फीवर आ चुका है, तुम्हारा
Right.
क्लियर हो गया है, तो you would be okay with whatever is
Definitely,
happening.
definitely.
सही है. So ये पॉडकास्ट की और एक बात यह है पंड्या कि first I want to ask you a question, man. How does it feel to be the third most famous Pandya from Baroda city?
It feels
So-
good, and I don't know if there might be many Pandyas out here.
I am pretty
but-
sure कि बड़ौदा में अगर 3 पंड्या है जिनके पास ब्लू टिक वाली प्रोफाइल है, तो एक है हार्दिक पंड्या, दूसरा है कृणाल पंड्या और तीसरा तू है. तो सही है. So how was your journey? Why did you get into social media? Like, are you an influencer? Would you call yourself an influencer?
No,
What do you do basically?
No, I'm not an influencer. I'm a social media marketer.
Okay. How is that different?
Influencer is something else. Like you are promoting yourself and you have a huge following. I don't have a huge following at the moment. You have a huge following and you are getting good brands together and you're doing good in that way. In my personal profile, I don't have that many followers. Yeah, I'm going viral on the internet. People are using my content, so it feels good. But I call myself social media marketer because of the brand which I own.
Okay.
It has got lots and lots of followers and it is getting amazing reach and it is doing good on social media.
It's Don't Get Serious, right?
Yeah.
Your brand is basically known as Don't Get Serious. That's
Yeah.
what you have called it.
Don't get serious.
I personally know the story behind the name because you have told me the story. But our viewers would want to know, of course, why the name Don't Get Serious?
Don't get serious like just like that because it's a funny name. But it hit me. Someone told me, don't get serious, Rohan. And as soon as I got to hear the name, I went home, opened GoDaddy, searched for don'tgetserious.com and registered it on the spot, 5th January 2014.
That's the date. You remember the date also?
Yeah.
Of course, because it's a game changer, right?
Yeah.
What happened after 5th January 2014? Like,
Initially 6 months or a year, it didn't work out that well. But when you talk about social media and blogging career and about marketing and all, so what people think is right now they are seeing me getting so many likes, so many followers, so many brands are coming up and they are talking to me, or I am getting invited in your podcast.
This podcast has just started, man.
So the thing is, it takes a lot of time. Okay. For the first year, I did not even earn a single penny out of it.
Okay.
I was just pushing myself, going on and going on and going on, experimenting. Because there was like a friend of mine who came at my place home with $100 check in his hand, and he was like, Google paid me. I was like, क्या?
Google paid him ऐसा $100 check.
$100 check. I asked him, कैसे, क्या हुआ, क्या है? And then he told me a few things, and I started searching on the internet. What the hell is this, man?
Okay.
I am in college. He is also my classmate. So
if he's getting
yeah.
$100, why shouldn't I?
Yeah,
also?
and that this is how, like, way back 2013 or 14 thing, 13
Okay.
thing. Yeah.
Okay.
तो वो आया और दिखाया, तो मुझे भी बत्ती लगी कि what is this? So I started searching. I started working on Don't Get Serious. It took time.
What was your first mode of delivery? Like, did you build a web page first या प्रोफाइल बनाई YouTube पे? क्या था फर्स्ट चीज, क्या की तूने Don't Get Serious?
सबसे पहले Don't Get Serious पे मैंने बनाया था, वो था डोमेन लिया और ब्लॉग बनाया था.
Okay.
It was a blog, and then I created a Facebook page out of it. Facebook page के बाद तो फिर सोशल मीडिया पे सब धीरे धीरे ग्रो करना स्टार्ट किया. I used to beg for likes.
Okay.
Like मेरे कॉलेज में I was like, see, likes and all looks very fancy हाँ कि यार 10 लाख likes है, 20 लाख likes है, ये है, followers है. But to get that initial push जब होता है तो see, the simplest thing is you will tell your friend कि यार चल like कर दे मेरा पेज या मेरी पोस्ट like कर, शेयर कर, प्लीज शेयर कर. Like these friends are like, okay, एक बार करेंगे, 2 बार करेंगे, and the third time you ask them, they are like fucking gonna ignore you.
Yeah, 100%.
And it has happened to me lots and lots of time. I used to tell them, yeah, like कर दे, please like कर दे, and they are like, क्या don't get serious करता रहता है. Okay.
हाँ, मतलब not
Obviously.
everyone aligns to your vision.
No, it's not like that. If we take you also in the same thing, you are starting up this thing, your friends are going to support you right now. They'll support you till when? 2 videos, 3 videos. They'll share your content. 4th time, they're not going to. You are on your own.
Yep.
Then.
So for beginner social media entrepreneurs like yourself, what would be that one golden suggestion that you would give to the entire community that is trying to do it?
Focus on the content. Content is the king. If your content connects with your audience, with people, they are going to share it 110%. It will go viral.
That is sound advice, man. That is correct.
Just keep on creating. And the other thing is, like, see what happens with people. There have been lots and lots of people who have come to me and they have told me, I want to start blogging.
Okay.
I want to do blogging. I want to start a Facebook page. But what happens with them? Okay, they start also. They do it. But when they work for 1 month, 2 months, then it's like game over for them because they get bored.
So it's just that initial push that they give to themselves.
Yeah.
1 महीने 2 महीने try कर लिया,
हाँ,
फिर थक जाते हैं.
फिर वहाँ गांधी जी दिखा नहीं.
हाँ.
पर वो लोग समझते नहीं है कि गांधी जी के पीछे भाग रहे हो, यहाँ पे तो बेंजामिन निकल रहा है.
कि कितना टाइम लगा फर्स्ट बेंजामिन आने में? वैसे ऑनेस्टली ऐसे 2014 से लेके हाउ लॉन्ग डिड यू हैव टू वेट टिल यू गॉट दैट फर्स्ट करेंसी इन डॉलर? ऐसा मतलब डॉलर पेमेंट, ठीक है?
मेरा फर्स्ट पेमेंट डॉलर में आया था, वो फर्जी तरीके से आया था. आई विल टेल यू अबाउट दैट. चलो. इट वाज अ वीडियो व्हिच आई अपलोडेड ऑन YouTube ऑफ ह्यू जैकमैन डाइट समथिंग, ऐसा करके एक वीडियो था. वो YouTube पे ऐसे छोड़ दिया था मोनेटाइजेशन अप्लाई करके. YouTube उस टाइम पे बेवकूफ हुआ करता था.
अब नहीं,
अब भूल से भी मत करना.
हाँ.
अपलोड करोगे कंटेंट तो कॉपीराइट्स नहीं आ जाता था. ओके, सो मैंने चढ़ा दिया उसको और वो वायरल हो गया. इट हैड अराउंड 2.4 million views that time, like
back in the days.
Back in the days.
When people didn't even have Geo and all this easy
there was
access
this
to
2G internet.
Oh.
So at that time it went viral in the USA, and when you talk about US audience, you get 10x or maybe 100x out of it.
Shit, man. What was this video about? It was, you said something about Hugh Jackman.
Hugh Jackman died for Wolverine, and I got.
Can you pull that up?
No, it's gone.
It's gone. They pulled it out.
I got penalized for the video.
Okay.
They demonetized my channel, but when after getting all the money and this, after 3-4 years they did it.
Shit.
So everything came and
that
then
is major, that is major.
And that was the major breakthrough. I saw it. Okay, so internet has got this power.
Okay.
So I then started working
because
on it.
अपनी Indian community में there is this general mentality that people have developed कि whenever you see a post in your email or on WhatsApp that says that do you want to earn from the internet, क्या आप घर बैठे पैसे कमाना चाहते हो, तो most people are lured by it. they want to do it. Everyone is like, हाँ मैं भी घर बैठे कमाना चाहता हूँ, but they don't know the logic behind it, how to work behind it. Nobody knows about that. So they usually fall into traps like cyber phishing या जो भी होता है. I know, I'm pretty sure you know more about it, where you clickbait
Yeah.
या whatever, you click a couple of websites and your PC gets
So,
hacked
so
or something.
there has been people like what they do, they join these groups, click for click and all.
हाँ,
So
हाँ.
मेरी वेबसाइट पे तुम
This-
जा,
this
मेरी
happened to me
website पे
also.
they'll click each other's profile और उसमें they'll start making good money. अभी गूगल बेवकूफ तो नहीं है यार.
हाँ, definitely.
तो
गूगल कैसे
तू
बेवकूफ है
मेरे-
यार,
तू
हमारे
मेरे
घर
पे
में
click
कैमरा
कर।
डाल दिया है उसने.
तू मेरे पे क्लिक कर, मैं तेरे पे क्लिक करता हूँ, एड्स पे क्लिक करते जाओ एंड स्टार्ट मेकिंग मनी. 3-4 दिन तक दिखेंगे वाओ कि डॉलर्स आ रहे हैं. फिफ्थ डे योर अकाउंट विल बी बैंड.
Okay.
फिनिश.
What is this? I didn't get it, but मतलब on Google Ads, you click on my ads.
I have this blog, don't get serious. I have got ads on it, Google Ads.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, those are Google AdSense.
Mm.
So you also have the same type of a blog. You also have ads on it. So I'll come on your blog and I'll click on the ad. So when someone clicks on the ad, you get paid for it.
Okay.
So in the same way, you will come on my and it will be click for click.
Okay,
And-
so you will say get 100 people who are your followers.
No.
to click
I will
on-
only come and do and go.
just you.
Yeah, just me.
Okay. And still that will generate some revenue.
It will generate revenue. In the same way, I'll just keep on changing my IP.
Okay.
I'll install a VPN and then I will.
ये VPN का concept मेरे को बहुत ही weird लगता है bro, कि how can there be a software which changes your ID so fast? Like I think VPN changes your ID every 1 minute or 1 second.
It
or
depends
something,
on
right?
which VPN you are using.
Okay.
If you want to do it on your mobile phone, then go for Tunnel Bear.
Okay.
तो वहाँ पे instant IP.
So guys, right now I want to tell you, this is not a paid video. Okay, Tunnel Bearer has not given us shit. We are broke. We are doing this with our own money, and yeah. But still, if you want to download VPN, download
Tunnel Bear.
Tunnel Bearer.
Tunnel Bear है. There is one more. I forgot the name. There is a browser and something.
But I think VPN का सबसे जो worst use है, people use it to surf the dark web or deep web जो होता है.
हाँ.
What is deep web?
I have no idea about it.
You don't know. Okay, so
I've never got into that set.
okay,
till
I'll
now.
tell you what the deep web is. So whatever research I have done for my writing and all, so the basic internet that we can access as civilians, जो Google के servers है, Wikipedia है, ये सब, it is the surface web. Then there is internal deep web जो government use करती है. Say for example, United States की Navy का एक personal server है, which is their own internet.
Right.
So I think it's called DARPA or something. हाँ, DARPA is the defense wing of USA. जैसे इंडिया का DRDO है, वैसे US में DARPA है. तो they initially created this, I think in the 70s or somewhere, and they created a deep network just for their people. So in case there is a cyber attack, their servers will not be vulnerable. Cyber criminals moved one step ahead from that. They created a concept called deep web. तो जो आजकल ये मार्केट में बहुत नहीं चल रहा, बिटकॉइन की लोग बहुत बातें करते हैं, बट बिटकॉइन हैज बीन अराउंड सिंस 2013-14. It was the primary currency.
10 or something.
हाँ, 10, maybe more. I don't remember when exactly, but way before it got famous. अभी जो 51,000 रेट चल रहा है, जब उसका $1 रेट हुआ करता था, that's the time people used Bitcoin to buy illegal stuff on the dark web. So I think the most famous site on the dark web that I have gone through is called Silk Route. और Silk Route में if you go to that site, you'll realize heads up कि ये completely illegal है. You find all sorts of narcotics on it, guns, you can buy guns, ammunition and everything. अब वो बात अलग है कि इंडिया में हम रहते हैं, हमारे घर तक तो आने नहीं वाला कुछ, obviously. But still, people in the US, Europe, they use it because who cares if a person sitting in some remote village in Italy orders like, I don't know, something which he shouldn't. So that's how the deep web का concept. It's good. People don't use the deep web. और deep web के भी जो अंदर होता है ना, वो dark web है, which is very weird. उस पे काफी ऐसे खराब चीजें होती है. You can Google it more if people want to know. I'm pretty sure.
No, I don't want to get into that.
Exactly. So let's stick to the surface web because that's where you have made your empire. So what I was going to ask you is, did you have any dejection moments like completely ऐसा, जैसे अभी पता है वो कैरी मिनाटी करके एक है, उसके साथ बीच में अभी हुआ, he got striked in one of his videos because of cyber bullying या कुछ, I don't know what that was, but I think it was for cyber bullying. So did your journey have any downs like that where you got contacted by some agency or individual who was like, बंद करो channel types?
Facebook deleted my Facebook page.
Why?
Because I was I got a strike, copyright strike from Pyar Ka Panchnama, that speech
Okay.
which they had, na, the
Okay.
viral one. So I uploaded it on my page and it went viral. 1 million 2 million views आ गया था 12-13 घंटे में उस पर.
तो कार्तिक आर्यन की नौकरी खतरे में चली गई.
तो they did a strike on my page रातों रात खलास खत्म, finish, टाटा बाय बाय.
So did you reboot the page or something?
No.
Yeah, what did you
The
do?
page had around 4 lakh followers उस टाइम पे
Okay.
और उड़ा दिया है इसने मार्क ने. It got zuked in the social media world. We call it zuked when it goes away.
What do you call it?
Zuked.
Okay.
Zuckerberg zuked.
अच्छा, zuked. It got zuked. Oh.
Yeah. So
Zuckerberg, did you see that video of his where Congress के लोग उसे question करते हैं, like
Yeah,
American
yeah.
Congress? Dude, that is so dangerous, man. That is so dangerous. मतलब I saw this part of his speech on Joe Rogan का जो podcast है, जो podcast मैं copy करने की try कर रहा हूँ basically. तो Joe Rogan के podcast में Joe Rogan said this one thing. So Mark Zuckerberg in one of his meetings, he said कि whatever is right for the world may not be right for Facebook.
correct.
मतलब एज अ कंपनी ओनर वो ठीक है, बट भाई तुम्हारे पास $200 बिलियन है, यू शुड बी सेइंग व्हाटएवर इज राइट फॉर द वर्ल्ड, फेसबुक विल बी एबल टू डू इट फॉर द वर्ल्ड. इंस्टेड ऑफ सेइंग दैट ही वाज लाइक कि दुनिया के लिए जो सही है फेसबुक के लिए सही नहीं होगा तो मैं नहीं करूंगा टाइप्स. which is very weird. मतलब if you someday become like a social media mogul with Mark Zuckerberg type of money, don't do that, bro, because that's not something you should be doing.
No man, so the page got zuked, right?
Okay.
And then I had to contact, like, for 6 days it was gone, and the 7th or 8th day it came back. Because one of my friend gave me a contact, उसने contact करवाया कि मेरी एक friend है वो US में न्यूयॉर्क ऑफिस में काम करती है.
Okay.
So I messaged her और उसने फिर बोला भाई तेरा पेज तो लीगल में फंस गया है. तो मैं वो निकालो फंस गया है ना, मुझे भी पता है गया है पेज तो निकालो. एंड देन शी हेल्प मी आउट, उससे बात किया वहाँ पे, एंड देन पेज केम बैक.
It came back.
It
So
came back.
Facebook legally returned you your page saying that you are the rightful owner.
They
The
deleted
page is
the
back.
page.
Okay.
Sorry, they deleted the
Content.
the video.
So all your content which had all those likes and everything,
No,
it just went.
Only one video, the video which got
The video
strike.
which was an issue, they deleted that one.
They
बाकी
deleted
सब
it.
content आ गया.
बाकी सब जैसा था
That
वैसा.
is great. That is great.
और अभी तक वो है ही, जैसा चल रहा है वैसा ही है कंटेंट उस पर. एक वो पेज है, दूसरा भी पेज है, काफी सारे पेजेस हैं.
I think ऑडियो वैसे तो सही जा रहा है, बट तेरे को अगर थोड़ा नजदीक आना है तो आ सकता है तू माइक से, या कुर्सी आगे ले ले या जो भी. तो क्या है कि in case you are speaking something slowly, it doesn't get missed out.
All right, no problem.
Random, I was just seeing at this bar and I was like, ठीक है, हाँ क्या है.
Okay.
क्योंकि बाद में इसमें ऐसा होता है ना कि if the volume is too loud, you can reduce the volume, but if it is too low, there is nothing you can do to pitch it up or something.
If you have a pro editor, that can be sorted.
We do have a and denoise का reverb effect आता है, मेरे को पता है, but it's too much.
Yeah. Exactly.
When you can get like clear sound quality, why would you go into that extra step
Definitely.
of editing?
Yeah.
But yeah, editing videos is a bitch, man. We did it so often for like 2-3 sketches that we did to get serious. And it's a task, man. What's that director up to, dude? Our friend Suru, what is he up to?
He is doing good.
Are you in contact with him still?
I met him last in my wedding only.
Okay.
That was the last time I had a word with
Shit,
him.
man, I still can't believe you are married, man. 30 years of age. Choxy, can you believe he's married? It's dangerous, man.
He was there in my wedding.
I
You
know.
were not there.
I had corona, bro.
I know that.
I was down with a bad bout of it was in February, I guess, isn't it? Because
Yeah.
that's the time I had corona. Dude.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
nice, man. So in your journey, okay, as like a social media entrepreneur, did you ever have a situation where people threatened you for the kind of content you posted?
Yeah, it happened recently only.
Okay. Wow.
Recently, I got bashed for posting a content on my Instagram account. The post went viral. It was so viral that I was getting death threats. I was getting messages घर के बाहर निकल,
But did
दिखा दूंगा तुझे, this that, and this was happening, like I was getting such messages every single minute, and that happened for
that
like
must be scary, man.
24 hours. I had to, switch my account to private mode from public. Still they were sending me messages, इतने गंदे messages भेजे. मुझे तो छोड़ो, मेरे friends जो मेरा photos click करते हैं या फिर जिनके साथ photo था मेरा, उन लोगों को they started tagging and abusing them also.
Shit, man. This trolling community, there needs to be some serious policing guidelines for this. Don't you think so? bro?
पब्लिक है, जनता है, करने दो ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
But
It doesn't
what
matter.
if- do you
It
think
doesn't
there is-
matter to me, but
हाँ.
if it doesn't matter to me because I have that mindset of social media since a long time. But if it is someone else, they'll go into depression 100%.
Yeah, exactly. Because random people say
Random
shit to you.
people.
You don't even know about them, and they are saying things which are personal to you and stuff. You might get shocked. in
Because
the
see,
head.
the thing is, when I post something, it is not. I don't know. I am posting it for myself. I am not posting it to please you or
Yeah.
not. I'm
Yeah,
not posting it to please anyone.
Yeah.
Those are my thoughts. I like it. That is why I am posting it. But these people don't understand. They just come. They just take out their frustration and then just go. Just one comment and they'll go. But that one comment can,
create a chain of things, right?
Yeah.
Like, people might get. It's sad. Do you think they can actually if you have like presence on YouTube, Instagram, and everywhere? Do you think people can use that same information that you have given to YouTube or Instagram to come to your actual physical house? Is it possible to do that?
no.
It's not right.
Not at the
उतनी
moment.
safety तो है मतलब.
यानी अगर निकलना है बंदे का लोकेशन तो निकल जाएगा कहीं से भी.
हाँ, but still he can't do it like
But
at
see,
the click.
See the
at one
thing.
click.
The thing is, they'll threaten me. कि I'll do this. I'll do that.
हाँ,
You are posting this. I don't see. They're like Congress and BJP stuff. Okay.
हाँ, हाँ,
So
yeah.
if I am a BJP supporter or a Congress supporter, the opposite party is going to bash me. Definitely, they are going to bash me. So now, सब बोलते हैं दम नहीं होता किसी में कि घर पे आके कोई पंजाबी बंदा आके मुझे बोल रहा है आए घर के बाहर निकल के दिखा, ये कर दूंगा वो कर दूंगा. भाई किस बात के लिए करेगा? मैंने किया क्या है ऐसा कि तू इतना ऑफेंड हो गया
Exactly.
और तू आके मुझे मारेगा? तू आ तो सही, फिर भाई लीगल तो सोच, कुछ आगे तो सोच क्या होगा फिर.
Exactly. We don't live in that world
हाँ,
anymore.
exactly.
पहले in the 90s there used to be all these elements who used to be like ऐसे गली के वहाँ खड़े रह के
हाँ.
ऐसे बवाल करते
हाँ,
हैं and
ये
all that
सब
stuff.
तो ये अभी ये नहीं हो सकता. नाउ द पावर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया, द पावर ऑफ मीडिया, ये सब बहुत
true,
है
it's
कि
true.
तुम अगर आके ऐसे ही किसी भी बंदे को एक पोस्ट के लिए तुम आके मारोगे ना तो तुम अंदर जाओगे
100% जाओगे ही जाओगे. अभी मैंने रिसेंटली आज ही एक चीज देखी, वो टिकटॉक का था या RVCJ या कोई पेज ने पोस्ट किया था. 3 बंदे ऐसे, पुलिस खड़ी है पीछे, पुलिस अपनी ड्यूटी कर रही है, ठीक है भाई, बैरिकेड पे खड़ी हो गए, पुलिस अपनी ड्यूटी कर रही है और 3 बंदे आके उसके सामने वीडियो बना रहे हैं ऐसे, वो जो टिकटॉक टाइप रील्स की, पुलिस भी आज तक मुझे नहीं पकड़ पाई. और क्या मस्त एडिटिंग था कि जैसे ही वो वीडियो खत्म होता है ना, वही सेम 3 बंदे पुलिस से खड़े, हम मुंबई पुलिस से हमारी माफी मांगना चाहते हैं, हम वीडियो बना रहे थे. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन पुल इट अप ब्रो, ट्राई इट ऑन YouTube, जस्ट चेक इट आउट इफ यू कैन सी इट. 3 guys making reel ऐसा कुछ YouTube पे हो तो, वरना देख ले, ऐसा ट्राई कर, मिले तो बताना मेरे को. So this concept, basically this whole concept of having a live news channel here is so that whenever I'm planning to have more guests after this is just the first podcast,
Yeah.
right? So whenever I have new guests, what I'm going to do is whenever we talk something which is very interesting or influential, we are going to pull up live things. Like if you want to have an intellectual discussion with anyone, तो आज गूगल के बिना वो हो ही नहीं सकता.
हाँ.
तू अगर कोई फैक्ट बोले, if I don't agree to that fact, what is that one way where you can prove that you are right or I am right? What is that one way?
गूगल इट.
Exactly. So that's what we are trying to do. I think it's there on YouTube, but it's too much of an effort right now. Our moderator is too chilled for today. We might have a better moderator tomorrow, so we'll figure it out. But हाँ सही है. एक काम कर, इसकी प्रोफाइल से पुल कर, Instagram logged in है उसमें. You where did you? Okay, so for those of you that don't know this, Pandya has this crazy specific Instagram channel, okay, जिसपे you put up cardboard
Signboard
signs.
things.
What is it called? Just give our viewers and tuners a thing about it.
See, the thing is, I have always seen dude with sign वाला देखा था, तो मैं सोचा कुछ
क्या नाम था इसका?
dude with sign.
Okay.
So I saw it going viral. So I thought, why not create a content for our Indian audience? And one fine day, that thing was going viral. रसोड़े में कौन था? That meme was going viral. Okay.
I remember उसका तो ज़माना था. पूरा एक महीना चला था
तो
भाई.
when that रसोड़े was going viral, I got it in my head कि यार एक post तो try कर लेते हैं कि sharing रसोड़े memes in school. But have you ever helped your mom in रसोड़ा?
हाँ.
Okay, and with a question again, I just went to my friend's place, his office, and I told him एक photo खींच ले. So
That was your first one.
that was my first one, just a random thing.
देख इसकी प्रोफाइल, पंड्या की प्रोफाइल खोल, इस पे ये रसोड़े वाला होगा, देखना.
Yeah.
Instagram पे सर्च कर पंड्या.
रोहन पंड्या लिखो तो वहाँ पे मिलेगा.
अबे कहाँ ढूंढ रहा है वही तो. Choxy is so technologically challenged. I love this person. So basically, this podcast is possible because of our friend. What's his name?
Parth Choksy.
Parth Choksy.
Location
He has
partner.
This, yes, he's our location partner, and he has this wonderful office that he has.
And he has a amazing brand, Pac-Man.
Pac-Man. Everyone who's tuning into this video, you need to check out Pac-Man की website. We are gonna give you the link in the description as well as the credits.
He's into gifting and all.
Yep.
Corporate gifting, wedding gifting, everything A to Z एकदम.
To Z, man. I recently had my cousin's wedding, and the hamper I created for her, I put in like everything. I don't know how many things I put in that hamper. I just gave this guy a budget. So why Pac-Man is the best gifting center? I'll give you a clear example. Okay, so एक तो they have telephonic orders, which nobody does right now. Okay, if you want to call up Zomato and place an order from Pizza Hut, it's not possible because they don't want to do it. But Pac-Man, even is in today's world with the large amount of orders they get from all around the country and Gujarat, they still have a back-end office. So if you call on Pac-Man ka number, they actually answer it. And when they answer it, you can just tell them what kind of a customized gift you want, and bang, it's at your doorstep wherever you want it.
Wow, amazing.
So for my cousin's
Good
wedding,
work, Choksy.
yeah. Oh, you found the page. So okay, so that's his page, and why don't you put it in color, man? I like that India-Pakistan flag one which you have put, which is also great.
Yeah.
What is that about? वो flag वाला कर दो, क्या लिखा है उसमें? Punishment for rape, public execution, death penalty. This is very necessary. So it's not just that you post signboards like रसोड़े में कौन था and all.
No, that was just the
social
thing.
activism
Yeah.
भी तू करता है, which is the sign of a responsible entrepreneur.
See, I'll tell you one thing. I hate part-time environmentalists.
हाँ.
I
ये
just-
देखो, वो मीम बता लोगों को.
I just okay. थोड़ा नीचे आ जाओ.
नहीं, वो बाद में हम लोग करेंगे फीड में, so that the audience can.
Okay. This one. Happy Diwali one. Yeah. So over here, see, Happy Diwali to all the part-time environmentalists. Now, these people, be it Diwali or anything, okay, when it comes to our festivals, okay, they'll start barking, saying that, यार यहाँ पे तो फटाके जला रहे हो तुम, एयर पॉल्यूशन हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है. But the whole year they'll be silent, कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे. Now when it comes to Holi, okay, होली में एकदम से सेव वाटर का ज्ञान आएगा कि सेव वाटर, और दूसरा आएगा कि लाइक डॉग्स पे कलर मत लगाओ या फिर वो उनको हार्म मत करो. कोई नहीं लगाता यार कलर, वो एक दो तीन लोग होते हैं.
मतलब बच्चे होते हैं जो अपने स्ट्रीट के डॉग्स के साथ लगाए, वो
रैंडमली ऐसा हो कभी हो जाता है. पर
exactly.
सी बैनिंग द होल फेस्टिवल फॉर दैट और मे बी मेकिंग कंट्रोवर्सी आउट ऑफ इट
is very very bad. I agree with you. Especially some celebrities also. I think, I don't know if you want to name them or I should name them. People know who we are talking
so
about.
this time during Diwali there was this celebrity, a lady who posted a video and saying that animals get frightened during Diwali. Okay, nice, but she enjoys eating chicken and mutton.
that is ये completely इसका word है क्या बोलते हैं, hypocrisy होती है. Society is hypocrite completely. So ऐसा मैंने और एक खुद ऐसे डिवाइस किया है कि फेमिनिज्म का जो अभी एंगल है ना, वो बहुत ही ऐसे इट्स गुड.
उस पे एक पोस्ट मेरी वायरल गई थी, लड़की ने बोला है तो सच ही होगा.
हाँ ठीक है, वो भी ठीक है, बट मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, फेमिनिज्म में क्या वियर्ड चीज़ है पता है? द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज फेमिनिस्ट, जो ऐसा हार्डकोर फेमिनिस्ट लड़कियां होती है ना, जो ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन के कंप्लीटली अगेंस्ट होती है. आई से दे आर राइट, बट देन एट अ डीजे पार्टी दे वुड डांस टू कोका कोला टू, व्हिच इज लाइक क्लियर ऑब्जेक्टिफिकेशन ऑफ वुमेन. मतलब इट इज सो वियर्ड कि इट इज लाइक हैविंग अ गणपति सेलिब्रेशन एंड प्लेइंग आउट मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है. एक तो तुम पापा को ला रहे हो, ऊपर से तुम बोल रहे हो मेरे अंगने में तुम्हारा क्या काम है. तो इट्स द सेम थिंग. सो ये हिपोक्रेसी तो भाई बहुत इंटरनेट पे अभी तू जहाँ देखे चल ही रही है. पीपल आर, आई डोंट नो, बिगटरी इज द वर्ड की जो भी फैंसी वर्ड.
About
celebrities do this all the time.
For this celebrity thing, this Sushant Singh case was going on, and this what do we say, nepotism in Bollywood. So for that, Sadak was coming. Sadak was going to release in India, and then that was the breaking point in my this Instagram thing. Okay. First one was Rasod, and then came Sadak. So I was watching the movie at midnight.
You watched Sadak?
Yeah.
Okay, we can cut the podcast right here. We are
But
ending
listen,
this
listen
podcast
na. But
right
listen
now.
na. Why did I watch Sadak?
Uh.
I watched Sadak. Okay, and next day morning, I went on the Sadak and I said that this broken Sadak is better than Sadak 2.
Oh, this meme we have to pull up. It's there, no? We'll
Yeah,
put it up for the audiences
Yeah.
to see it in the edited version.
It's there.
This is great, man.
So and this meme was trending on Twitter for like 24 hours.
Okay. Like the broken Sadak is better than Sadak 2.
This Sadak is better than Sadak 2. And I was sitting on the Sadak.
सही है, मतलब नेपोटिज्म तो है ही भाई, तो कुछ भी बोल रहे, people can't survive in Bollywood. Like all the good actors you see, they are broke.
Yeah.
OTT platforms is the game changer. मतलब अभी तू ट्रेंड देखेगा ना तो ये लोग नोटिस नहीं करते. सुशांत सिंह वाला पीक पे आ गया था, ठीक है, इट्स अ गुड थिंग, बट उसके बाद जो अभी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स कर रहा है, पीपल लाइक मनोज बाजपेयी, के मेनन, दे आर ग्रॉसिंग मोर व्यूज देन सलमान खान. जैसे अभी आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी, आई अप्रिशिएट सिनेमा इन ऑल फॉर्म्स, ठीक है, मेरे को मूवीज ऐसे पसंद है, हॉलीवुड, एवरीथिंग. आई हैव सीन अ लॉट ऑफ डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज एंड स्टफ आल्सो बिकॉज आई एम अ राइटर प्राइमरीली. आई कलेक्ट ऑल माय इन्फॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम मूवीज. तो अभी जो OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे क्या हो गया है, राधे देखे तू तो राधे फ्लॉप हुई पूरी, ठीक है, क्योंकि अब nobody wants that stereotypical guy trying to drive a car, save a girl and all that stuff. But if you see Family
A
Man,
50-55-year-old guy.
exactly, 50-55-year-old guy, probably on steroids also. You never know.
We
Because
don't
it's
know about
Bhai.
that. Yeah.
You never know. Bhai कुछ भी कर सकते
We
हैं.
never know about it.
Exactly. तो जो ये रियल एक्टर्स है, मनोज बाजपेयी है, के मेनन की वो कौन सी थी, स्पेशल ऑप्स,
Oh man, that was
दो
a hell of-
सीरीजेस आर गेम चेंजर्स मैन. मतलब वो ऐसा कंटेंट है जो तुम अपने माँ बाप के साथ देख सकते हो. गालियाँ अब सब बोलते हैं, ठीक है, एवरीवन नोज कि बैड वर्ड्स इन सिनेमा इज क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी,
Yeah.
बट वल्गर कंटेंट इज नॉट. जैसे आई सॉ दिस वन सीरीज कॉल्ड पाताल लोक.
Oh yeah.
उसमें देयर वर अ कपल ऑफ सीन्स व्हिच वर सो अनफैमिली फ्रेंडली कि आई डोंट नो, वो क्रिएटिव लिबर्टी नहीं थी. इट मेसेस विद योर
Even Sacred Games had that thing.
हाँ, Sacred Games had that thing, and still it was so popular all around the world. मतलब I was shocked कि my 13-year-old baby brother, he was like, मैंने Sacred Games देखी है. मैंने कहा तू देख के कर क्या रहा है यार,
He is getting fascinated with the thing.
Exactly, which is so weird. और उसमें वो जो कौन सा नवाजुद्दीन का सीन है उसके साथ, which is
Yeah.
it's creepy to a whole new level, man. मतलब why would someone watch such things? But still it was trending.
Yeah, definitely.
And Saif Ali Khan is the only Khan who is smart, जो ऐसे move होके आ गया है इसमें कि he has moved into OTT. बाकी शाहरुख खान रह गया, आमिर खान रह गया, सलमान खान भी रह गया, because they are like, हम वही करेंगे PVR में 250 की टिकट and we'll sell it. Great. So what do you do with your trolls? Do you consider replying them, or what is your general modus operandi? Do you respond?
No response.
No response at all, है ना?
No, at all. No reply.
Can you delete their posts, like being the owner of the page? Can you delete comments that come on your post?
We can hide them.
You can hide
As
them.
in we can hide as in restrict. So
Okay.
no one can comment you either, or what we can do is, if the person who is following me can only comment. So what these people do, they'll follow me, comment, and then unfollow. So yeah, it happens.
So
But
yeah,
it doesn't happen every time. Once in a while, on some post, if
Okay.
someone doesn't like, it is not a regular affair.
Great, man. So in case you have anything specific to tell to young people who are trying to get into this line of work, क्योंकि I'm pretty sure काफी लोग try करते होंगे ना ऐसा कि मैं एक meme page बनाना है. In fact, fuck young people, I have tried it myself too. Meme page मैंने भी बनाने की try की थी, which was shitty because nobody supported it. You guys didn't support it, man. You don't even know about it. It's called Meme Mantra, and yeah, so that's great. And people do it all the time. But what would you tell them? Like, what standard procedure should they follow while doing it? Like, do you think they should open a blog का page as a blogging site, या should they go into something like video blogging जो होता है वो, कि Instagram पेज बनाए या Facebook पे पेज बनाए? सबसे इजी क्या है ब्रेक करने के लिए?
Easy कुछ भी नहीं है,
हाँ.
पर इसमें सीधी बात है, कुछ भी करो. अगर Instagram कर रहे हो ना, तो Instagram 1 साल के लिए करो. उसमें फिर अभी ऐसा सोचो कि Instagram पे यार मेरे चलो 5000 फॉलोअर्स हो गए, अब मैं Facebook पे भी करूँगा, मैं YouTube पे भी करूँगा, और मैं ब्लॉग भी करूँगा. तो ये गलत बात है. पहले एक चीज़ ग्रो करो. अगर Instagram ग्रो हो गया है तो Facebook पे, YouTube पे और ब्लॉग पे लोग ऑटोमेटिकली आ ही जाएंगे.
अरे
एक ही चीज़ पे फोकस करना चाहिए
कि
अपने
ऐसा नहीं कि तू एक साथ 5-6 पेजेस मैनेज कर रहे हो या कुछ
अब.
भी.
और और एट द एंड ऑफ द डे ये जनता है यार, सबको तुम इधर से उधर घुमा सकते हो। फेसबुक पे आ गए लोग तो उनको बोलो कि तुम इंस्टाग्राम पे आ जाओ, मेरा ये तो लाइक कर दो, फॉलो कर दो, करेंगे।
अभी मैंने कुछ कुछ पेजेस में ये भी चालू किया कि दे पोस्ट हाफ अ वीडियो, सो व्हाट दे डू इज एक ऐसे क्लासी सीन ले लेंगे कोई जिसमें पीपल आर ऑलवेज वांटिंग टू सी द एंड, कि ऐसे देयर आर 5 white guys walking towards a fountain, they are putting like ऐसे वो बबल मेकर इन द फाउंटेन, एंड बहुत सारी बबल मेकर ऐसे पब्लिक फाउंटेन में डाल रहे हैं, फिर वीडियो बंद। टू सी द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द वीडियो फॉलो दिस पेज। तो व्हिच इज सच अ बैड थिंग टू डू, मतलब तुम अपने ऑडियंस का से शीप की तरह इधर से उधर मूव कर रहे हो कि यू शो देम अ पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन,
बट दोस आर पेड पोस्ट
as in
like if I have a, for example, if you have a page with 1 million followers on Instagram,
okay,
so if I want to promote something, if I want followers, I'll message you, okay, price for paid promotion. So you'll reply, okay, I'll take X amount depending on the number of followers and activeness. Okay, so you will charge X amount from me, so I'll give you the content which I want to. So now if I want followers, so I'll show them only half thing and then say follow this page to watch the whole video. Okay, so that's how the whole thing works. All those posts are either
it has always excited me. I remember this
they are
one
paid
time
promotions.
when we were shooting for DJSK sketches and all. Our director showed us this one video called Chotu ke Golgappe.
Oh yeah.
There's actually a video called Chotu ke Golgappe which has 1 billion views या ऐसा कुछ है ना?
Millions में उनके followers है.
हाँ मतलब कैसे? And it's just like a short guy trying to sell pani puri on the streets and something. So how does monetization work in such videos? Like if I have one video, just एक ही वीडियो है मेरे पास जो ऐसे 50 मिलियन के ऊपर चला गया है, just one video, and all other videos on my channel is like what 2000 views, 1000 views, 1500 views. So do you think I can monetize my one video which has crossed 50 million views? And how to do it?
You can monetize all the videos.
Okay.
YouTube पे there is this thing called you need 4000 watch hours.
Okay.
And you need at least 1000 subscribers.
Okay.
And then you get approved. And once you get approved, all the videos you have uploaded on your channel, which are original, not copied content, so you can start getting ads on it. Same thing is with Facebook. If you want to earn money from Facebook, Facebook has these videos. You might have been seeing all those videos of Kapil Sharma and there also, that is called ad break.
Okay.
Facebook. So you need a page with 10,000 followers and around 600k, as in 6 lakh views.
Okay.
So if you complete this requirement, so you can easily get into monetization. So and if you want to,
these specifics, people are going to watch this video to see this part of the video.
No, they are not going to see it for this. Now what I am going to tell you, they'll watch this video for that.
Go for it, man.
So now if you want, see what happens over here like YouTube is saying this many hours and all. Okay, so there is always a jugaad for everything. Okay, so if I have a new channel, मेरी न्यू चैनल है कोई, ठीक है, तो 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स मरवा लिए कहीं से, ठीक है, बॉट्स ले लिया और उस पर फिर व्यूज भी मरवा लिए. So that whole thing gets into like 2000 to 3000 rupees and you get monetization on. So this is the jugaad which people are doing with YouTube. In this Facebook
ये
also.
मुझे समझ में नहीं आया पर क्या था ये कि if you have a channel
so
on
for
YouTube.
for example, if this is
this
your channel, okay,
yeah.
you are just launching it, okay. Now what you want, that you directly want advertisements on it. When you release it, you want it with ads.
Okay.
So what people do is like they first of all take 1000 subscribers मरवा लेते हैं उस पे चैनल पे,
मरवा लेते हैं in the sense
bots.
Okay, bots.
हाँ, bots ले लेते हैं, यानी 1000 subscribers हो गए, and then there comes this video you upload. So you need a scene ऐसा होता है कि 1 घंटे का कोई भी एक वीडियो अपलोड कर, स्टिल वीडियो यू रिकॉर्ड एंड देन अपलोड इट डायरेक्ट 1 घंटे का, बस उस पे वो फिर व्यूज भी ऐसे ही दे देता है.
Okay.
बॉट से ही दे देता है. और वहाँ पे
doesn't YouTube have a mechanism to find out if
No.
a user is authentic or it's bots?
not at the moment.
They still don't.
Yeah, not at the moment. So that is how directly फिर monetization on हो
This
गया.
is so easy. All I have to do is contact some guy in Russia who is sitting in a cave, who is a Russian hacker, and I have to tell him that I need 3000 bots.
No man, not
$500.
No, don't go till Russia. Don't go till, you will get it in Anand also.
That is
Ahmedabad
sad.
also. Everywhere.
People do it. I say proper professionally people do it. We'll give you bots.
Yeah.
That should be illegal, man.
That is illegal, and recently Mumbai crime branch has taken action against all those people
Okay.
who are selling bots and all.
सही में?
Yeah. So that's how
क्राइम ब्रांच क्या ही कर लेगी अगर वहां से कहीं और शिफ्ट होगा क्या करेंगे मतलब देयर शुड बी अ सेट मैकेनिज्म
एट लीस्ट वेबसाइट तो ब्लॉक हो जाएगी ना.
हाँ
वेबसाइट पे डायरेक्ट you can directly place the order and you get it. So there are some websites also which provide all this content, something like that. मैंने भी करवाया, सब करवाते हैं ऐसा पहले इनिशियल किक के लिए करवाते हैं.
Get it. अभी बीच में ये भी हुआ था ना कि some celebrities were cancelled in their whatever they were doing, saying कि
हाँ
ऐसे-
ये सब ये
you can tell us 1 घंटा अगर हो गया है तो तुम लोग बोल सकते हो कि हाँ 40 minutes हुई है. We can still talk for like 5-10 minutes.
हाँ,
more.
तो
We can wrap it up.
ऐसा सब इनिशियली स्टार्टिंग में मेरे को भी
What
ऐसा.
is the limit for an IGTV video? 60 minutes है ना अभी?
I have no idea about my IGTV. I have not uploaded
I
yet.
think it's 60 minutes, yeah.
Yeah,
That's
so-
why I'm targeting 1 hour. Baki, I have content. We can sit and talk. If we are outside Gujarat, we can sit and talk for 5 hours straight.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
this is gonna be Gujarat,
So
we have to.
so but with this thing bot thing which I was talking about, tell your audience not to do it.
Yeah.
I did all this way back in 2015.
Yeah. Right now, do
Yeah,
not do. Please
yeah.
don't try this at home. Is what he's trying
Yeah,
to tell you guys.
don't try all this. I
Yeah.
did all this in 15, 16.
Yep.
After that, I have not done it because now if you do all this shit, your account will be gone.
100%.
They'll delete your account and all.
And once you get caught with bots, no matter what account you create, that might also get affected, no, so in some way.
See, the thing is, if you have if you get bots of maybe 1 million bots on your account, okay, and when you upload a post, you don't even get 10 likes. There is no engagement.
Okay.
So what the most important thing in social media is like if you even have 1,000 followers, those are genuine followers, so they'll engage with you.
Yeah,
Okay,
totally.
that is what the important thing is. This bot thing I told because to make it a bit interesting.
And they why would they engage? Because bots can't.
Yeah.
They need to be programmed. अगर
Yeah,
उनसे भी
so-
engagement चाहिए तो वो भी programming
Yeah.
करना
So
पड़ेगा
if you
उसमें.
go out with the bots and all, you are not going to make a living out of it, never.
Okay.
And your account will also get deleted.
What happened to all those celebrities जिन्होंने ऐसे बीच में ऐसा आया था कि Instagram पे fake followers का कुछ चला था पता है?
I don't know. Yeah, I saw the story.
I heard something about it.
Yeah, but I don't know exactly what was the thing. I did not get into it.
Google का था वो celebrities fake Instagram followers. लेट्स सी कौन पकड़ा गया से देखते हैं ना अपने ऑडियंस को कुछ मसाला देते हैं. भाई तो ये गूगल पे तुम भी कर सकते हो बट हम तुम्हारे लिए कर रहे हैं क्योंकि तुम फ्री नहीं हो तो हम फ्री है. सेलिब्रिटीज विद फेक खाली लिख सेलिब्रिटीज फेक फॉलोअर्स. हाँ वो आ गया फर्स्ट लिख गया. What I'm planning to do with this is eventually ये screen recording भी करके यही वीडियो डाल देंगे of moderator searching it and all.
Correct.
So that'll be easy for you to edit also. And
Definitely.
all that stuff. So how do you like the concept of this podcast?
Amazing, bro.
We have, by the way, we have great guests lined up even after this. The first episode I wanted to be something close to my heart, my close friend and who has also become a social media influencer. We'll end the segment when we talk about his blue tick journey, how he got to his blue tick. But before that, so कौन क्या क्या लिस्ट आया है नाम में? Miley Cyrus? Can I see what is that? Miley Cyrus लिखा है? Oh, that is major, man. If someone like Miley Cyrus had to get fake followers, I don't think I trust Instagram anymore, man. Because if Miley Cyrus needed fake followers, who is there?
No idea
और
about
कौन है
this.
famous इसमें से? Katy Perry. I wanted a list with Indian celebrities तो थोड़ा ऐसे मजा आती है बट हाँ ठीक है सही है. कौन है? प्रियंका चोपड़ा? Oh, this is major, man. Why would they do it, man? They have millions of followers. Like, do you think Priyanka Chopra can walk out in Bombay and buy bread? ऐसे दूध दही.
At the moment, she can with a mask on.
IQ, bro, IQ. Makes sense, man. So yeah, so how did you get verified on Facebook? Like, what is the criteria that you have to fulfill to get verified?
I don't know, man. I just went viral on the internet, na.
And Facebook contacted you that we are giving you a blue tick.
No. Everyone can apply for a blue tick. If
Okay.
you want, you can also apply for a blue
Okay.
tick. There is this form which you have to fill
Okay.
and submit it.
Okay.
So I submitted it. I got rejected so many times, like almost 8-10 times it got rejected, and then it after me going viral and all, it got approved.
That is great, man. Do you think it makes a difference to people who you pitch your venture to or something?
No,
when
no,
people
no.
see a blue tick, does it matter?
Blue tick fascinates people, but it at the end of the day, it doesn't give business. It doesn't bring business.
It doesn't bring business.
Until and unless you don't have.
That's also, it is all just jazz.
It is just the fancy thing. जब तक तुम्हारा engagement नहीं होगा, followers नहीं होंगे, genuine followers नहीं होंगे और engagement नहीं होगा, तब तक कुछ होने नहीं वाला. The beauty and all is just.
मतलब yeah, I have this cousin of mine in Bombay. He does crazy music, ऐसे independent music, lo-fi सब बनाता है. Shout out to Rahul Shah. He is the one who has made our intro track for this podcast.
Okay.
And he's a great musician. He puts out songs which are epic, and still he gets like what initially ऐसे 3-4K views आते हैं. But his songs, if you listen to them, they are like mastered in a pro level and everything. So internet is a weird place, man. I think it's a weird
Internet
place.
is a weird place. One video can change your life.
One video can change your life. Yeah. For everyone who wants to see how one video can change your life, I think they should see Chotu ke Golgappe. It's the best example. There's a midget guy who sells pani puri और उसको 1 billion views मिल गए यार. मतलब 1 billion views क्या ही कर सकता है लाइफ में. काफी सही है. 1 pound fish. 1 pound fish is one more video. I have not seen this one. It's great. So I think we can wrap up the first podcast with that. Thank you for being on the
Thank you
show.
for inviting me. It was a pleasure talking to you after a long time. वो भी एक
With cameras
with
around.
cameras around doesn't matter.
Yeah, man.
But it was good talking to you after a long time, and it was good seeing Choxy.
Choxy. Shout out to Pac-Man, who is our
Pac-Man.
location sponsor.
He Pac-Man just he gifted me few things also. A cool diary.
So yeah, the cool thing about that diary is, bro, it has, I think, seedable paper.
Yeah.
That's what, it has seedable
Yeah.
paper. So once you're done writing on them,
A diary
you
and,
can just plant them in your seed and
Wow.
plant them in your
Pencils.
pot. हाँ. Those are also, I think, उसका जो eraser है ऊपर का, उसमें seeds है अंदर.
Why is Choxy not written over here?
Choxy is written on some other shop.
Other
near
shop?
Akota.
The same name is written downstairs. When I
Down,
came, I
yeah,
saw
yeah.
902. Oh.
But I personally couldn't have seen a better start to this. कि अपने ही closest लोग, and the podcast is now on air, and it's a great thing. We are going to have some crazy guests ahead. There's this one guy.
This podcast is going to be a big success. Just keep doing it.
Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much.
I genuinely hope that celebrities come here. Celebrities like big stars come
I'll
here.
tell you, initially I'm not targeting celebrities, but I have people who people have never seen in their life. So if I tell this to you, just a promo for you guys, there's this uncle called Kumar Shah, okay? He's a bike rider. He's 52 years old. And he has ridden his bike, which is a Royal Enfield, from Surat, which is in Gujarat, India, to London via the Silk Route. So he did a bike ride which was 6 months long. He went in with all spare tires and stuff. मतलब तू सोच सकता है ऐसे वर्ल्ड मैप पे, if you try to place the dots, you go through Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Latvia, Eastern Europe, and then to eventually UK. So that's the guy. He has agreed for a podcast, but he has not confirmed his date yet. But I definitely want to have him over so we can talk about his journey.
Definitely. Why not?
Imagine a 52-year-old guy taking
Inspiring.
a bike and going to London.
Yeah,
bro.
very
मतलब
inspiring.
गुजरात से लंदन जाना is not a small thing, man. On a bike when you're 52. So celebrities बाद में आए ना आए ठीक है, but I want people who people have never seen. मतलब that's my ultimate agenda.
Correct.
And if it works out like this,
It will.
it will, yeah. So we conclude the first podcast with the third most famous Pandya from the city of Vadodara. Thank you for being on the podcast, bro.
Thank you for inviting, bro.
And shout out to our location partner Choxy. Shout out to my crew team Swapnil. And it's a great thing. We hope you guys support this, and we're gonna have a lot of cool people here talk to you about things you want to listen to. And that's about it for now. We end this podcast right here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Jibat. Jibat.